Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Create a Kucoin account, complete KYC, and enable 2FA for security. These steps protect access and allow higher limits. Deposit crypto or fiat and convert to USD, or send 000 equivalent to your Kucoin main wallet to start. Next, transfer that USD to the Futures or Margin Wallet tab so it is available for trading. Confirm the balance reflects the transfer and check network fees. Gas or chain fees vary by token. Now you are ready to choose a market and set leverage. Select the correct market type on Kucoin, perpetual futures for continuous contracts or isolated margin for pair-specific borrowing. Choose your trading pair, for example BTC/USD, and enter an order size in USD or contracts. Set leverage carefully, for example 5x for moderate risk to increase exposure without extreme volatility. Review the displayed liquidation price, maintenance margin requirement, and initial margin. These numbers show how close liquidation is. Adjust leverage or choose your order type. Market for immediate entry, limit to place a specific price, or stop to trigger an entry when price reaches a level. Enter position size in USD, confirm leverage, then set protective orders. Take profit and stop loss to automate exits, for example targeting a 3:1 reward to risk ratio. Enable reduce-only or post-only flags where appropriate to prevent accidental position increases. Monitor unrealized P&L, margin ratio, and switch between cross or isolated margin to control liquidation exposure while you manage the long.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.